Hi, I'm Henry Bliss, Senior Client Services Lead with the Give My View team at Landtech. So Give My View is an engagement platform or software that allows public authorities or any decision maker to gather opinions and data from communities, whether they're large or small. The whole purpose is to reach more members of communities that traditional forms of consultation would allow for, meaning that as many people as possible have a say on topics that are important to them. And Flintshire County Council have been using Give My View on a number of projects with us. We have been the software providers to the team, so giving them access to Give My View, training them up and making sure they have all the support they need to fully utilise Give My View to connect with their communities. This means that Flintshire are the experts and they only lean on us when they need advice, but essentially they're given the autonomy to go into the Give My View platform, build out the consultation they need and then reach their community, getting the valuable feedback that can help their decision making. Flintshire's approach to gathering information via Give My View for placemaking has been really successful, especially in relation to if they had just used traditional methods. The first marker of this is the volume of data. So 75,000 pieces of data and pieces of feedback from really diverse members of communities is not achievable realistically with just solely face-to-face consultation. So that's the first marker. The second one is actually that it's engaging with a lot more broad members of society. So we're getting feedback from the young, from the old, from people who wouldn't typically engage. People don't have the time to engage if something was face-to-face or in an event. Give My View has been used in a very collaborative way with the Flintshire team when doing everything from a placemaking perspective. The main strategic focus of this has been building up consistent and yet still individual surveys for the different towns across Flintshire that each placemaking project is focusing upon. This collaborative approach has been a number of going back and forth between us, kind of building out the right survey and then rolling that out across different towns as and when needed.
Hello, I'm Chris Jones. I'm a place practitioner, town planner and director of Chris Jones Regeneration. We got approached by Flintshire Council to help them with the development of their placemaking plans. Working alongside fellow collaborators Robert Limbrick, we've been helping the council certainly for the last 12 months, working in Shotton, Holywell and now in Buckley. The process has worked really well from our point of view, that we've been given a whole body of documents from day one. There's a research, looking at commercial appraisals, a rich body of consultation that is both face-to-face and also digital, and that's really given us a good start. It's allowed us to sift through stuff and to try and come out with some emerging themes. Naturally, it's great to go to the towns and to see what's happening on the ground, what's working well and what needs fixing. From all of that then, we start to look at our direction of travel and working closely with Flintshire Council and with other partners, both local and strategic. We start looking at opportunities around people and place. It's been a really collaborative approach from day one. First of all, the client and us as consultants, there's been a real spirit of working together. And the key thing for us is the approach that Flintshire Council has taken with multi-partners. So the People and Places group has allowed us to go in and to use that barometer of opinion that isn't just corporate across Flintshire Council, but also with the local health board, with local town councils, with the voluntary sector, business sector. So we've had a real rich cross-section of views that has come back to us. So in all, it's been great to have played a part in this, and we wish Flintshire and their partners all the best